we're talking. We're getting there. We're getting there. Push, push, push. Oh, we got that one. That was good. Backhand or forehand? What's your favorite shot?
Backhand down the
Good.
line.
Hawkeye. These girls, you know, sometimes they can be impatient, you know. Welcome to Weissach. Great to be here.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm excited.
Not many people get to come here, so you're pretty lucky.
I feel special.
Should we go for a drive?
Yeah, sure.
Let's do that. Keep your legs together.
Oh my god, so good.
This is my footwork. Like
Okay, the footwork is on point. Oh, it was amazing. So good. I really enjoyed it.
So the G-forces are a bit high, but
Yeah, it was a good workout though.
we got there in the end. Yeah, I think we can get a bit more out of you. A little bit more. Okie dokie. Okay, now I teach you how to do a launch control, but you have to go crazy with the throttle. On the floor. On the floor. Wow! Whoa! Now we're talking. That's good. You feel the pressure? Bam! Oh, in the middle. Boom! We got him. Where are we off to now? Okay, we're back on the lap again. Woo! That's good. Yeah, we're doing circles. I like it. Yeah.
Too much of
Okay, yeah, a little bit too much. Oh, what's that, baby? What's that, baby? Oh, baby. Go through here, through the middle. Stop.
really got it.
Nailed it. You got a new career. If you're injured, you can race cars.
Okay.
There you go. Deal?
Yeah. This experience really shows me that what the car can do, and yes, this car is definitely one of my favorite, and definitely I would consider to maybe buy it one day.
We got it done. We got it done.
Perfect.
Yeah, well done.